Now let us discuss the concept of volume of a cuboid. Basically we should know what a cuboid is. Cuboid is a three-dimensional figure. That means or we can say when we have a rectangle and we give it a height, it will become a cuboid. Or cuboid is a figure in which the length, breadth and height can be different. For example, if I have a rectangle with length L and breadth B and I give it a height H. That means I have a figure with length, breadth and I have given it a height h. It will become a cuboid, and volume of a cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Suppose if I have been given a cuboid of length 2 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter and height as 4 centimeter, we are supposed to, and if we are supposed to find the volume, we will write length is equal to 2 centimeter, breadth is equal to 3 centimeter, height is equal to 4 centimeter, volume is equal to LBH, that means 2 into 3 into 4, that means 24 centimeter cube, because it is a volume and basically we are multiplying three quantities with the dimension centimeter. That means the units for length is centimeter, breadth is centimeter and height is centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter into centimeter will be centimeter cube. So the volume will have the units as centimeter cube. So basically a volume is of any figure that is a symmetrical figure, or we can say a prism, can be found by the concept that whenever we have a prism in which the base and top are the same, it is a symmetrical figure and we can find the volume as base area into height. In this case also, if we consider this concept, the base area is length into breadth and the volume of prism is equal to base into height. So it will be L into B into H, and which is the formula length into breadth into height. So whenever we are supposed to find the volume of a cuboid, we have to multiply the length, breadth and height. But there can be questions also in which we are given, basically we are given the volume and then we are supposed to calculate, and we are given two values, suppose length and breadth, then height can be calculated, or other way around. That means of all the four quantities, that is volume, length, breadth, height, if three things are given, we can find the fourth value using this formula. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Now let us take another concept, question on this concept. The water tank is in the shape of a cuboid with length 10 meters, breadth 2 meters and height 5 meters. And we are find the capacity of the tank in liters. That means we are supposed to find the capacity of the tank, or we can say we are supposed to find the volume of the tank and then convert the volume into liters. And we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. That means if 1 liter of water is equal to 1000 centimeter cube of the volume. So length we have been given as 10 meters, or we can breadth is 2 meters and height is 5 meters. If I convert it into centimeters, it will be 1000 meters, 1000 centimeters, 2 meter will be 200 centimeters and 5 meter will be 500 centimeters. So volume is equal to L into B into H, or I can say 1000 into 200 into 500, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and 10. So this is the volume of the cubical tank. Now if I have 1000 centimeter cube, it will be equal to 1 liter, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros of centimeter cube will be equal to 1 upon 1000 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, or 3 zeros will cancel out. It will be 10,000 liters. So this is how we can calculate 1 lakh liters of water it can store, because the volume of the tank is 1 and 8 zeros, or we can say 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and this is the volume of the tank. And when I convert it into liters, I know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter, and so the volume will be equal to 1 lakh liters of water it can store in this tank, which has the dimension of 10 meters by 2 meters by 5 meters.